Like coming out here and throwing to your guys and your facility and your surroundings. I mean, his comfort level has to be sky.
I mean, we got a chance to spin it today, man. We won 100%. We had one drop, 98% today or something like that. But it was great, I mean, obviously, getting a chance to work with these guys over the past few days and getting a chance to come back to the home field has been great. Felt like we answered a lot of questions today. I felt like I answered a lot of questions today. And I'm just looking forward to seeing how everything shapes out.
Did this go a lot better than the combine, in your opinion?
Yeah, for sure. Because, I mean, the circumstance was a little bit different. I mean, obviously there's varying reasons of how everything went, but I felt like I was just more comfortable, more relaxed. Had an opportunity to come out here and show every throw, from the out routes to the deep comebacks to the goals to the post. So, I mean, I feel like, honestly, I answered every question. Scouts told me it was a great workout, so I'm just going to take what they said and continue to keep pushing.
You looked really balanced. Footwork looked as clean as I've seen it in a couple of years, probably.
And that's the thing. I mean, that was one of the emphasis of working with Ken. I mean, when you're in season, sometimes, you're so focused on the games and the season. And obviously, we did a lot of footwork, Coach Morris as well. But when you're training for the combine, when you're training for the draft, you don't have any other thing to do but to go work out. Like, I really have nothing to do. I go work out, I go home, probably go work out again. I don't have any school or things of that nature. So that was the emphasis. And actually, this was the cleanest that I felt I've looked since. Even, working out this week, there was still some things that I need to continue to work on. So to come out here, someone put on the clinic, man, and just come out and compete was good.
Have you heard anything since you were done throwing to talk to any NFL guys? They tell you?
Most definitely. Talk to some of the head coaches. I probably should know their names, some of the GMs, and you know what? They just told me it was a hell of a workout. Felt like I came out through it as well as they had seen it. So, I mean, it's good. I'm going to take it, continue to keep pushing. Like I said before, Ryan Nash was the first quarterback supposedly taken around this time last year. He ended up going like 4th round. So I'm just going to continue to keep pushing, not worried about what people think, and just trying to play with them myself.
How do you feel like you did on that 7-step drop? Something you didn't have to do a lot of here.
Yeah, it's a little different, but again, it's all about just making sure you stay on balance. Out of the 7-step drop, we had to throw a dig out of it. Felt like Tay ran a clean route. Felt like I put it in location. And, that's just one of the things. I mean, I really don't know what offense I'm going to go on. We might go to an offense where we never need a 7-step drop.
Yeah.
When you're looking at NFL teams and things of these natures, the game is evolving so much. Like, there is no, particularly, I think, pro-style team anymore. But you got to be prepared for with any instance and any situation that you're in. And that's just what we prepared for.
More over the top than you had been known to do. That's been a criticism of some of these guys. Too much sidearm 3/4 stuff.
Yeah, and I mean that's just come sometimes. Sometimes you got to come and make those throws. I mean that's just the nature of the game. Every release isn't going to be over the top. You got a linebacker jumping. You can't throw it over the top of him. You got to flip it around them. So, between that, they wanted to see, my ball location accuracy. I felt like that was really well, especially in the comebacks and some of the drop or in the out routes and some of the things that you have to do before they come out of the break. And again, I remember one coach telling me that he did want to see a more compact release, a little bit over the top. Felt like that's something that I've been improving on as well.
It was something that just because of that kind of criticism, you felt you needed to show it?
For sure. And I mean, just wanted to come out here and answer every question. I'm proud of the way I throw the football. I feel I can make any throw on the field, and I wanted to come out here and showcase that as well. So, I mean, the interview process is something that I felt like I did great along the way, whether it was Senior Bowl, whether it was Combine, and now it's the throwing part of it. I mean, obviously, when you're throwing to different receivers, you don't get to time it down, but you get an instance for it, And the thing is, I felt like I threw the ball at the Combine as well. Obviously, they didn't show it much. I rewatched it, gave me a little airplay, but, you hear the different things coming out of it. So a lot of the times, here's where you got a chance to see it firsthand, see it live. Felt like it was good.
Is it hard to block out the noise from those guys?
Not necessarily, and that's the thing. I rarely look at it, but sometimes, just because you disregard it and you don't listen to it, doesn't mean that people close to you aren't. And that's just one of the things.
Yeah,
you got to make sure that.
you
just got to make sure that the people around you are aware. Like, people are more worried about my draft status than I am. I feel like wherever I go, that's the thing. I'm sitting there like, well, if it happens, it happens. Wherever I go, whether it's in the 1st or the 7th, I feel like I'm going to go out here and compete and play for a while. And that's just what I want to do. As long as I have an opportunity, that's all I can ask for.
What offense do you feel you do fit best in? I know you made the comment about
right.
The different styles and so forth, but what would be the optimum situation for you?
Honestly, it really doesn't even matter because, I mean, up until I got to Clemson, it was all pro style. When I got to Clemson, it was a little bit of spread, so I feel like I'm diverse in every area. You know, some guys can't take drops, some guys can't go from the jam. I feel like I'm a little bit mixture of both. I feel like I can escape the pocket, throw on the run, and I feel like we got a chance to showcase that as well.
You had a couple of days to work with Ken, and then the guys that you're familiar with, 2 receivers, tight end, running back. Did it feel right, just, you know, everything you guys prepared for when you came out here?
Yeah, for sure. And I mean, that's one of the things, like, we really only got, like, live reps the first 2 days this week. So what's today? Is it today? Thursday? Mm-hmm. So we worked, and we got live reps Monday, Tuesday, and we didn't really do anything yesterday. We kind of walked through the script, but just those 2 days alone is all I really needed with those guys. Obviously, we spent, you know, I guess essentially 3 years with them. You know, I've been here for a little while, but, you know, the time I got with those guys was very good because, I mean, you know, just understanding how they're coming out their bricks, understanding what they're looking at, just putting the ball in location and knowing who you're throwing to.
Because it is a script, it's more than just a game where there's going to be stuff that happens, you adapt to it. What's going through your mind in those few minutes before you got 60 scouts out here and you know that you got to just do this the right way?
You know, honestly, it's a little nerve-wracking because, I mean, like, as much as it's just playing football, you know, it's a job application as well. You know, so I'm over here, and, you know, some guys felt like it was cold. I felt like it was 140 degrees in here, you know. So, man, I'm taking deep breaths, like hyperventilating, but, you know, ultimately you just got to go out there and just throw the football and just compete, just have fun.